Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be washing my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be washing my hair with the pink conditioner and also deep conditioning with the K Naturals honey and sage deep conditioner. So let's get started. If you want to see my full wash day routine, you should go check my video. I'm gonna link it somewhere up here or up here, I don't know, but it's gonna be somewhere up there. This diluted with water. Last week I used the deep conditioner and rice water and I mixed those two together. I'm gonna show you the process today, but I'm gonna be using water because I'm low porosity and too much rice water can cause my hair to break. So I'm just gonna wet my hair up and come back. So right now my hair has been rinsed. I'm just gonna clip this here so I don't have to hold it. So since my hair is rinsed, I just go with the conditioner. So the conditioner doesn't have a thick consistency. If your conditioner has a thick consistency, then I suggest you dilute it with water. But this doesn't have a thick consistency, it's like runny, so I just take the conditioner and apply it to the hair, not to my scalp, but to the to my hair strands, to the braids, because conditioner on your scalp can clog your scalp, so which can slow hair growth, and we're trying to avoid that. Make sure you squeeze it in so it can get to all the nooks and crannies of the braids, and that way you're not just putting it on top, it's actually getting into the braids.
On your mini braids instead of a full wash, a full blown wash. Routine, this is just a co-wash and a deep conditioning session, and that's it. So I'm just done.
Also, don't forget your edges and your nape areas. So I just go in. I don't really massage it in so it doesn't get on my scalp. I just press it enough so it can distribute to all the hair strands on my edges and also to my nape area. Now that it's evenly distributed, just gonna go ahead and rinse this all out. Then I'll come back with with how I do my deep conditioner. So yeah, let's go rinse this out. Okay, bye. So I'm back and I've rinsed out the conditioner, and next we're gonna go in with a deep conditioner. To deep condition, I have this small plate, cup, whatever. Oh yeah, it's a cup, it's a measuring cup, 1 cup. But yeah, so I do my mixture in this. I put a little bit of my deep conditioner here. And the reason I dilute this with water is because my deep conditioner is actually a little bit thick and I don't want this stuck in my mini braids. So I just eyeball and put in a little bit, like that much, like that little. You don't even need that much. So next I just go ahead and put in a little bit of water. But this has water in it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and mix with my finger. Let me show you what it's looking like. So this is what it's looking like right now. See, the consistency changed. it's now liquidy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze out the excess water in my hair. Squeezed out the excess water in my hair. I'm just going to take the hair. It doesn't matter. It's just so I can distribute to all the braids. I pick the hair up and first of all, go ahead and dip my hands, the ends of my braids, dip it in the dip conditioner. And if you need more mixture later, you can make it. It's totally fine. But for a start, just make a little amount so you don't waste the rest. And then I just run it through my hair, like the rest of the hair. Don't forget to squeeze, and because that's how you distribute when you have your hair in braids. Deep conditioning my hair with heat, and all I'm just gonna do is rinse this off with cold water and moisturize, and that's it. Boom. My hair is so warm right now. Look at the definition. Look at some of the definition right there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, look at that. Just gonna go ahead and rinse this off with cold water, and then we'll moisturize, and boom, we're done with wash day. The oil and the double buttercream, and that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also comment down below if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.